welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So this is the second time that I filmed this palette bingo because I didn't like how I looked yesterday. I was going to edit the video and I just deleted the whole thing because I was just stressed. Now thinking back, I didn't look that bad. I was just stressed and I got frustrated and deleted my video. But anyways, that's okay because I could just do another video. So anyways, that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be doing a palette bingo using the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette, and I got this one in the Jeffree Star mystery box, and this is what the palette looks like. It's really pretty. And well, yesterday I used this palette, but I'm going to use it again today. And sorry my hair looks like a mess. I didn't feel like straightening my hair because it's actually starting to get hot already. It's going to be 84 degrees today, and I don't know if you guys could tell, my hair is actually fading away already. Because the hair dye that I used, it was just like a 30 wash hair dye type of thing. And since I do wash my hair every single day with hot boiling water, I feel like it's fading away faster. But anyways, I still have a little bit of blue, and it's mixed with like red and purples and light browns and pinks, and I kind of like it. So yeah, anyways, this video is not about my hair. I just wanted to show you guys how my hair is looking now. Okay, so before this video gets extra long, I'm going to generate 5 numbers, and this palette has 15 shades, so I put 1 through 15 in my random number generator, and here we go. So I got 4, 3, 5. Okay, 2 more numbers. We got 9 and 13. When I did a palette bingo yesterday, I actually got number 9. And it's funny because I got 4 shimmers yesterday and just 1 matte. And the matte one was the brown. Okay, so anyways, let's see. 4 is Kumquat. This one right here. It's a pretty orangey shade. And then 3 is BITCH. This pretty pink. Okay, I'm excited for this color story already. And 5 is Stroke. This like, is it like a red? Like a red orangey shade. And that's what it looks like. Very pretty. Okay, 9 is Snatched, and this is the one that I got yesterday. 13 is Submerge. Okay, so I'm super excited for this color story because yesterday I didn't get any of those colorful colors. And I did like yesterday's look. It was pretty neutral, but it was still really pretty. But today, this is the color story I'm going to be working with. And it looks really pretty, and I'm super excited to see what I will be creating because I only got 1 shimmer. Yesterday I got 4 shimmers, 1 matte, and now I have 4 mattes, 1 shimmer. So anyways, before I begin, I am going to be priming my eyes with a NYX pigment primer, and I will be doing this off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay you guys, I am back. I already applied eyeshadow primer and I did set it with a white shadow, and now I am ready to begin. I think I'm going to start off with this orange shade, which is called Kumquat. This one right there. And I'm going to put that like in my inner crease. That's a pretty orange. It does look like a Kumquat color. Okay, now I'm going into BITCH, this pink, which is this bright hot pink looking thing. So I'm excited to see if it's actually that pink on my eye. Okay, it looks really pretty. Okay, I think I'm going to bring that pink a little bit in. Okay, now I'm going into Submerge, the blue, the baby blue, which is this one right here. And I'm going to put it like on most of my lid. Okay, this blue is really pigmented. It's super pretty. And I'm going to tap it a little bit over the pink so I could hopefully make a purple or something. So I'm gonna go back and forth around that pink and that blue. Okay, so that's what it's looking like so far. Now I'm going into this darker orange, which is called Stroke, this one right here, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Okay, now for my inner corner, I'm going to add Snatched, this one right there, this one right there. Okay, now I want to also add that same shimmer, this one, the Snatched. I want to add it like around like right here. So before I do that, I am going to be applying the NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to apply it very carefully. And now I'm going into the shimmer. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this eye. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying eyeliner and mascara off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. I already applied eyeliner and mascara. The mascara that I'm wearing on my top lashes, it is a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I can't talk today. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then for my lower lashes, I am using the Ulta Beauty New Heights Lifting Mascara. And for eyeliner, I am using the Isadora Glossy Eyeliner in 40 Chrome Black. For my waterline, I am using the Miss Hana Black Liner in Galaxy Black. And then for lips, I am using the gloss that I got in my winter mystery box. This one right here. And this one is in the shade Spank Me. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing on my lips, and it's a really pretty lip gloss. Underneath, I do have this liquid lipstick, the nude liquid lipstick in the shade Can't Relate, but I feel like it was too nude for me, so that's why I just applied this on top, and I feel like it looks really pretty. This is the final look. What do you guys think? I think it came out really pretty. I really like the blue and the pink together, and I really like the shimmers on this palette. They're super pretty and very pigmented, and they're not sheer at all, and I just really like it. I really like this eyeshadow palette. I'm super happy that I got it in my winter mystery box. And the shadows are super soft, and they do have a little bit of kick up on the palette, but it's not that much, and I don't really care about that. And the BITCH shadow did have a little bit of fallout on my face, but it wasn't that bad. And yeah, I'm super happy with it. And so far I have only used 9 shades out of this palette. I can't wait to use this yellow and this green. Anyways, I'm super happy that I have this eyeshadow palette. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have this eyeshadow palette and what do you guys think of it. And also let me know if you guys would like to see another palette bingo with this palette, or just let me know whatever you guys want to watch. And yeah, so anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.